Chihiro, and I'm the Arts Project Manager at the Africa Center, Hong Kong.
Afro Multi-Activity Summer Camp 2022 aims to connect and empower the next generation. This camp is for kids of all ethnicities 13 years old and below. During this camp, we hope to build kids' relationships, confidence, and skills through multiple activities. On the day one, we have painting, braiding, designing clothes, crafts, and many more. At the end of the summer camp, the kids will receive a certificate of completion.
So why should your kids join this summer camp? We believe that learning about different arts, especially something that the kids are not familiar with, enhance the kids' imagination and creativity. Through this camp, the kids will gain a new perspective on the different arts. If you want to sign up to this Afro Multi-Activity Summer Camp, please scan this QR code or click the sign up link in the description below. Hope to see you there.